Hey everybody, welcome to Backyard Garage. Again, I thought I'd just do a quick update on the Camaro and where we are at with it. So here's where we're at. I know I haven't put a lot of videos out there because we are waiting on parts that are on back order. Still waiting for the door panels. They are coming in and yeah, just still kind of waiting for those. And then another thing that I've been up to is, let me take you over here. Look at that. Camshaft's out and takes off. You're probably wondering what's happening. Here's what's happened. Is I was driving it a few days ago and I noticed a ticking noise. So I stopped it, got it home and started up. And yeah, I heard a ticking. So did some investigating and here is what I found. One of the lifters that was in here, if you can see, let me see if I can get you in the light. It's hard to see, but that lifter right there, see if we can zoom in. There you go. Look at that, stuck. So I have a stuck lifter. So I didn't run it for too long with the lifter stuck. However, I did run it long enough where I wouldn't need to worry about wiping out a lobe on the cam. So that is why we are torn apart right now, is I had to take out my cam. So, yep, right here is the camshaft. I just checked it over really good. Just cleaning it off, getting ready to put some assembly lube on it, put it back in. None of the lobes are destroyed, which is amazing. So that's going to save me some money. However, I do have a new set of lifters coming to throw in, and then hopefully we should be good and back on the road. So just thought I'd give you guys an update as to what we're doing here on the Camaro. I haven't really been driving it too terribly much, every now and then. But yeah, so this is kind of where I'm at with it. Just thought I would give you all an update. So, yeah, anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Drop them down below. Hopefully I can get this sucker back together by July. Here in Minnesota, we have what's called the Nationals. It's the National Car Show. So I'm hoping to be bringing this there. So if you guys are in Minnesota and are at the National Car Show, look for my car. And yeah, come and meet me and say hi. And yeah. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Super quick video, only a few minutes long, but I just thought I would give you guys all an update as to what's going on. So I will talk to y'all later. Peace.